您好，同学们。We will continue our Chinese lesson. Today we will learn lesson 4. The title of lesson 4 is 我家有4口人。我家有4口人。That means there are 4 people in my family. Okay, let's learn key sentences. Number 1. 你家有几口人？你家有几口人？ That means how many people are in your family? This is a question, right? So for example, if you have 4 members in your family, you can say 我家有4口人。 For example, if you have 3 members in your family, you can say 我家有3口人。 If you have 5, then you can say 我家有5口人。懂了吗？ Understood? Now let's look at the second key sentence. 你有姐姐吗？你有姐姐吗？ So here 姐姐 means big sister or elder sister. This whole sentence means do you have big sister भनेको है. For example, if you have a big sister, then you can say 我有 If you don't have big sister, then you can say 我没有 Understood? Now let's learn some vocabularies. Number 1. 爸爸妈妈家哥哥姐姐妹妹Now let's learn some words and their meaning. 一有 that means to have. So they have given one example. 有哥哥 that means to have a big brother. The opposite of 有 is 没有 that means 没有哥哥 that means don't have a big brother. 有哥哥 that means have big brother. 没有哥哥 that means don't have a big brother. 二几 and it is generally used for numbers or quantities less than 10. So for example, 几口人3口 So this is a major word for family member. So whenever you have to say your family members, you have to use this 口. For example, if you have 3 members in your family, then you have to use 口 So for example, 3口人 If you have 4 members in your family, then you have to say 4口人 So if you have 2 members in your family, we cannot say 2口人 That is incorrect. So we have to say 2口人 2 means 2. So 2 is only be used with major word, and major word here is 口。懂了吗？4和 that means and. 爸爸和妈妈 father and mother. 哥哥和姐姐 big brother and big sister. 弟弟和妹妹 younger brother and younger sister. 哥哥. So it is also a major word for general use. For example, 一个姐姐, that means one big sister. 一个哥哥, that means one big brother. 哪个 means which one. Now let's read some conversation. Look at the first picture. 1. A boy is asking another boy's family members. 你家有几口人？你家有几口人？ That means how many people are in your family. Look at number 2. A boy is saying 四口人，四口人，爸爸妈妈哥哥和我。爸爸妈妈哥哥和我。四口人 means 4 people in family. So they are father, mother, 哥哥. What is 哥哥? 哥哥 means elder brother. 和我 和 here means and. 我 means me. Father, mother, elder brother, and me. 懂了吗? Understood? Now let's look at second picture. 1. So this is a conversation between a girl and a boy. A girl is asking a boy. Number 1. 你有姐姐吗？你有姐姐吗？ That means, do you have elder sister? Do you have elder sister? And a boy is saying, look at number 2. 没有，没有。That means I don't have. 我有一个妹妹。我有一个妹妹。That means I have one younger sister. 你有姐姐吗？没有，我有一个妹妹。Now let's listen to the audios.
Let's read.
你家有几口人？4口人，爸爸、妈妈、哥哥和我。
你有姐姐吗？
没有，我有一个妹妹。
Now let's read another story. Title is 我的家。我的家. That means my family. Look at picture number 1. 我家有3口人。我家有3口人. That means there are 3 people in my family. So who are they? 爸爸妈妈和我。爸爸妈妈和我。So they are father, mother, and me. Now let's read second picture. 我爱爸爸妈妈。我爱爸爸妈妈. That means I love father, mother. Here I means love. L-O-V-E, love. 爸爸妈妈也爱我。爸爸妈妈也爱我. So that means father, mother also loves me. Here, ye means also. I means love. Look at third picture. 我有一只小狗。我有一只小狗。Here, 一只 means one. 只 here is a major word which is used for animals. 小狗 means small dog. 小 means small, 狗 means dog. That means I have a one small dog. 和一只小猫。和一只小猫。一只 means one. 小猫 means small cat. 小 means small, 猫 means cat. 我有一只小狗和一只小猫。I have one dog and I have one small dog and one small cat. 小狗叫豆豆。小狗叫豆豆。That means small dog's name is Toto. 小猫叫多多。小猫叫多多。That means small cat name is 多多。小狗叫豆豆。小猫叫多多。Now let's look at picture number 4. 豆豆爱多多。多多也爱豆豆。Here, Toto is a name of a small dog and Toto is a name of small cat. So, Toto means dog. Toto means small cat. So, Toto loves Toto and Toto also loves Toto. Now let's listen to the audios.
Mini story.
我的家。我家有3口人，爸爸、妈妈和我。我爱爸爸妈妈，爸爸妈妈也爱我。我有一只小狗和一只小猫。小狗叫豆豆，小猫叫多多。豆豆爱多多，多多也爱豆豆。
Now let's read another. 我爱我的家。我爱我的家。That means I love my family. 爸爸，爸爸，好爸爸，我爱好爸爸。妈妈，妈妈，好妈妈，我爱好妈妈。哥哥，哥哥，好哥哥，我爱好哥哥。姐姐，姐姐，好姐姐，我爱好姐姐。我爱我的家，嘿，我爱我的家。我爱我的家，嘿，我爱我的家。Now let's listen to the audios.
Let's chant.
爸爸，爸爸，好爸爸，我爱好爸爸。妈妈，妈妈，好妈妈，我爱好妈妈。哥 哥哥哥好哥哥，我爱好哥哥。姐姐姐姐好姐姐，我爱好姐姐。我爱我的家，嘿，我爱我的家。我爱我的家，嘿，我爱我的家。
Okay, 동수에만. For the exercise part, we will discuss together in the class. So that's all for today's lesson 4. 我家有4口人. So if you have any problem or any question, you can write it down in comment box. Okay, 同学们，谢谢，再见。